What is your strategy for finding a research topic?
So there are a number of things that I would look at. So first of all, make sure you read the parameters of the assignment, and so you know what parameters you're working within. You don't want to pick a topic that is not relevant to the assignment, because trying to force it and make it fit is going to take you more time, more effort, and is going to make things harder on you. And you don't need to do that. There's lots of research topics in linguistics to look at. Linguistics, despite its old traditions, it's a fairly young field in universities. So there are lots of areas that you could look at, to and do something and find something that you want to do. So that's the second thing, is you want to pick something that you're passionate about, that you're interested in. Trying to do a project on something you absolutely don't care about can be like pulling teeth. It's not really a pleasant experience, or it can it you've got when you're doing a school project, you've got other classes going on. You want to find something you're interested in, because that's going to help keep you motivated, and that's going to help you to complete your assignment and get a good grade on it. So you want to make sure you check. So first, you check the parameters of the assignment. Then you want to pick something that you want to study, that you're passionate about, and then third, you want to pick something that you can complete in the time allotted. So if you're doing a master's and it takes you a year and a half to find a topic, and then you've only got 6 months to finish your work, like if you need to pick something that will fit within that 6 months. If you're picking an assignment that's due in a month, you don't want to pick something that's going to take 4 months to do. So you have to be realistic about what time you have, how quickly you can work on it, and what needs to be done. So those would be the main tips that I would give for student projects and master's work, and even for doctoral dissertations. You need to know what your requirements are. You need to be passionate. You find something that you're passionate about, and then also find something that you can complete within the time you have. Because you don't want to be stuck at the end of a course without a final project or anything like that. So those are my 3 tips for finding a topic for student projects.
Thanks for watching. Check out our YouTube channel for more symposium content, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook.